Welcome back, everyone. Today we are going to talk about the Southwest Companion Pass. Specifically, we're going to talk about like some of the fine print and the practical tips as far as how to actually use the Companion Pass and the nuances to be observed. This is part 2 of a 2-part series about the Southwest Companion Pass, so be sure to check out part 1 where we talk about how to earn it first. Now real quick, this is Nurse Michael Travels here where we talk about award travel plans, and how to save money. You know what it is, let's get into it. So let's first talk about everything there is to know about selecting and changing your companion with your Southwest Companion Pass. So we first check it out by going to southwest.com and accessing your account by clicking on the My Account button as screenshotted here. This will then take you to your dashboard where it will tell you My Companion Pass, and from there you'll be able to add your companion information, and for that you'll just need all their travel details like their original name on the passport, birthday, their known traveler number if they have TSA pre-check, and all the regular details you need to book a flight. Now you'll want to be strategic on how you select your companions because you can only change your companion 3 times in a calendar year. Again, that's January to December. So for example, you earn your companion pass, you pick your mom as your companion, you get that one for free, but then your next trip you want to take your dad, you switch it to your dad, that's number 1. You switch it back to your mom after that one for another trip, that's number 2 that you use, and then you decide to switch to your brother, that's number 3. Then you're stuck with your brother all the way up until the next year. So there's no take backs if you move it back to an original companion. It's just 3 selections per year and that's it. Now selecting your companion, like we talked about, you could do it online. However, to change your companion, you need to do it over the phone. The phone number to call is 1-800-435-9792. I'll put that in the description below for y'all. And so you just call them up, ask them to change your companion, have all the traveler details like you needed for the original selection, and then they'll be able to do that for you very easily over the phone. Now they do say that it may take up to 21 business days for this change to take effect. However, in my personal experience, it does happen very quickly, the same day if not instantaneously. However, your mileage may vary. Now before calling to switch your companion, you do have to cancel all of your current flight reservations with the old companion you're changing from, and then you have to rebook the flights with the new companion. Unfortunately, it's not a simple name swap whenever you change your companion pass for your flights booked. So that can make it a little bit tricky if you're doing a lot of back-to-back trips and you're wanting to take a different companion. Now there is kind of a way around it. If the idea of a sold out flight gives you anxiety, you could theoretically hold your place or hold a ticket by booking a fully refundable fare, whether it be with cash or points, and then canceling that booking and reserving it again once your companion pass is transferred to your new companion, and then you'll be able to have a held spot for you. Now let me show you real quick how to book a flight for you and your companion. I'm gonna go ahead and show you on the app because it really is that easy. So we'll hop on the app here and we're gonna go ahead and book a trip over to Chicago. Select your dates. We're just gonna pick a random date in December just for a quick round trip flight. We're gonna go ahead and select points because we're gonna make a point booking here. And so I'm just going to select some direct flights for the lowest fare here. And so actually pretty cheap flights. I always do the want to get away fare because there's no other reason for me to book the other options. Since we're using the award bookings, you get free cancellation and a full refund. So you go ahead and confirm the flight here. It's only $11.20 for for a round trip flight. Go ahead and select purchase. And so to do a companion pass booking, you do need to book your flight first and then you add on your companion after the fact. So you got your confirmation here. We'll go back to the home page. Now you go into that reservation that we just made to Chicago. And then there will be an option to hit add companion. So you simply add companion. And now this is an example of when you already selected your companion. You'll hit continue for the same flight. Log in, give all your identity details, and then it'll automatically have your companion pass or companion information. You just simply purchase, and it's $11.20 again for the taxes for a round trip flight. And then just like that, you booked 2 round trip tickets for 13,000 points and $22.40. It's pretty dope. So like you notice, there's 2 confirmation booking numbers. That means 2 things for us. One is that you'll need to check into each of those flights separately. Unfortunately, they're not linked together, so you'll have to copy and paste those confirmation codes and check in individually. This also means there's an extra step whenever you need to make any changes or cancellations to your original itinerary. You will need to cancel the companion ticket first, and only then will you be able to go in to change your flight. To do that, you go into details, you hit cancel on the companion ticket, and then you're able to change from there. This is particularly useful whenever Southwest has one of their many promotional sales. Discount their tickets and you're able to change the original fare and potentially get a much discounted ticket from when you first booked. So small price to pay, but it's worth it. And then 2 more notes is the one beautiful thing about the Companion Pass is that it's truly so easy to use. There's no blackout dates. It's as simple as if there's an extra seat on that plane for your companion, they can have it just for the price of taxes. There's no, sneaky gimmicks to where it limits the use of this pass. It's a beautiful thing. And then secondly, it is truly a Companion Pass to where they need to be with you on the flight. There's no sneaky backdoor routings that you can do to have them have a free ticket without you being there. So just kind of take it for what it is and have a free flight for your buddy. And so there it is. That is the Ultimate Companion Pass Guide Part 2 of 2. So if you liked what you heard, please like and subscribe to the channel, like if you haven't already, so that way we can reach more people. And if you're interested in getting a Southwest card and its Companion Pass season, please check out the referral links down in the description below. It'll help support me and this channel, and I would be deeply appreciative. And please leave a comment down below with any Companion Pass stories, or if you have any questions, I would be happy to discuss them with you in the comments below. Otherwise, I'll see you on the next one. Peace.